Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Google Photos app or on Photos. Google.com, signed into the account that holds the items. Once there, open the left-hand menu and select Trash. This is where deleted items sit for 60 days. Make sure you're looking at the right account and the right device because trash is account-specific. Now scan the list quickly. Items show a preview and deletion date. Use this to decide what you'll permanently remove versus what you might restore. Once you're in Trash, tap and hold one photo or click the circle to start selecting multiple items. You can pick individual files, or you select all on a browser to capture everything visible. After selecting, choose Delete Forever to permanently remove or restore to return photos to your library. Be deliberate. Permanent delete cannot be undone. If files are large or numerous, expect a short processing time. Make sure your device stays connected to the internet while the action completes. Finally, confirm Delete Forever when prompted. This permanently clears space and removes items from all synced devices. If the delete doesn't complete, first check your internet connection and that you're signed into the right Google account, then retry. Make sure Google Photos Sync is enabled and that storage policies aren't blocking changes. If a restored item doesn't reappear immediately, wait a few minutes for indexing and refresh the app. And if problems persist, sign out and back in or restart the device before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.